how to optimize on website using SEO on page. See here, this is one kind of the website. If you checking the information about this website, what is called toolbar will be called urank. What is called urank toolbar. This is called toolbar for urank. Just you click this, they give the entire website information. What are the changes required? How much data you are using? Any alt tag missing? So what do you mean by anchor test? Everything explained by this urank toolbar. Now they're scrolling here. How much score for the urank? 49.6. What is the best score? 60. But less than 60 will be there. So I have to improve the score. What is the main issue for this? Here, how many title character? 131. But they're showing for how many characters will be mentioned? 71 characters. But they're showing for 131 characters. So they exceed the characters. Now, what is the meta description will be called? 160. What is the best one? 160. Exceed to 184. 180. Not a problem for this one. So what is the Google preview? Like this. The Google, when you open a URL, they're showing for this one. Here, why are you showing the apostrophe mark? No H1 tag. Yes or no? The reason is they're showing for apostrophe mark. Suppose they exceed the H1 tags, they're showing also apostrophe. They exceed for more than 5, they're showing for into mark. C is a cloud. What is that? Keyword cloud. See, keyword consists in nothing but as a based on your on page, they give the keyword consistency about your description. Now, alt tag. Why? Because I'm using for 10 images, one attribute, one alt attribute they missing for one image. What the image called? Image 5.jpg. Look at this. Now, we found totally 70 link including 0 link. What is called? External links. External links follow. How many external links follow? This external nothing but as the anchor test. Hyperlink. See this. What is that? What is the hyperlink first one? If you click this one, they open my website. Why? Because the website isn't development by Rakesh solution. Now here. So each and every website bugs issue the intimate by the which toolbar? Urank toolbar. Now, no broken links. This is the issue. See in my website, no robot.txt, no XML sitemap. They're showing for into mark. Why? Because it's not there. So they're showing for error. Now, underscore. If your website is underscore, what do you call? This is called error. Don't use underscore. Simple like that. I'll show you one website. This is my own website. I'm using for underscore each and every link. See this. What I'm using for? Underscores. See. Why? Because based on the review, I'm using for underscore. But don't use underscores. There's a mistake on this website. Later will be changed this website. It's clear? Don't use the underscores. Very important thing is if you mention title tag and meta tags and underscore is mandatory. This will be called alt tag and what do you mean by canonical issues? Now here, come one by one. So here, domain registration only for 2 months back. They're showing for into month. Why? Because domain only for 2 months old. No, still no is no blog for this one. Now what is that? Mobile friendly is good. Yes or no? Very good for mobile friendly. Each and website will be called mobile friendly, tablet and desktop. All the desktop will be showing. So they're showing for tablet and phone. Touchscreen red line. They will be maximum. They show like this. Mobile compatibility. Font size good. Mobile viewport good. Mobile speed less than slow. Why? Because I'm not using this kind of the CSS. Mobile framework. URL will be called 11 characters. Is okay. Better. Now is a favicon Good. Get your favicon is done. What is the favicon here? Your site icon. Language is English. Now, source data markup. This is a default by here. These are existing domains, relevant domains. .net, .org, .info, .biz and .eu. EU education, biz and business purpose. Now, type of availability. So this all will be called. This is our server input. Still now, this no have a analytics. Is it clear? Now, write down question. How to activate robo.txt on website? How to activate robos.txt on website? So, how to activate robo.txt? Suppose, how to check your robo.txt is activated or not? Simple. After .com, you are entering for robots.txt. What is that? See here. They will like this. This is already active. This is already active. But they're saying for error. So clear? Why? Because sitemap is not updating. Something is issue on this. You will check it out here. Just copy this one. Take the notepad. Copy this code. Okay, code will be common. Just save as what is called robots txt. What are you saying for robot.txt? Just a swam. Suppose if you block any URL, what is called? Simple here. I block this URL. What is URL means? Contact. If I block the simple. Is it clear? They will be simply will be block your URLs. But I am not block the any URLs. I am not block the any URLs. Is it clear? Now remove this one. Okay. This is a save the file. Okay. After save this file, we can upload into the my cPanel. Where it is? My cPanel. Clear. So I'm going to my cPanel here. Here, this is a cPanel. Now I'm open for the what is the website called? forcefusionsim.com. Now open my one website. Here upload file into your desktop. Yes or no? You are creating for robot.txt. Now uploading file into your desktop. Click select file. Here I'm searching for path. What's the file name? Robo.txt. Clear? File was saved. Now here easily check by the Robo.txt. Suppose if editing something here, simple logic. Just reload. What's the file name? If you check, this is activate not or not. Simple logic. I'm putting for SS. Save changes. They come down. Refresh. They coming SS. So same file updating or not? Yes. Now I'm remove for SS. Save change. Is it clear? This is called activate from the XML sitemap. How to activate XML sitemap? Second question. How to activate XML sitemap? The URL called xml-sitemaps.com. xml-sitemaps.com. Here, what is the URL name called? forcefusion.com. So simple that before updating XML sitemap, if we changing the on page is very important. Before changing the XML sitemap, I have changing for on page. Why? Because my on page is everything ready. Yes or no? My title, the description, keywords, everything ready. So I can optimize my XML sitemap. Just copy the URL. Go to the XML sitemap. Here, what is that? Your starting URL. Copy the URL. along with HTTP with the double three validator. Change frequency is always. Frequency nothing but mobile friendly, tablet or browser. 3. Desktop. Now last modification based on server response. Your mobile or anything. Now priority automatically calculated. Priority nothing but is the 1 or 0 or 5, 6, 0.81 is all will be priority. First I'll copy the URL, change frequency, use server response. Next, automatically calculate priority. Click for start. They are uploading 4 files. One is called sitemap.xml. Next will be, we can upload 4 files. One is called sitemap.xml. Next will be called sitemap.html. Third will be called URL list.txt. Fourth will be called raw.xml. Fourth will be called raw.xml. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. Raw.xml. So they downloaded 4 files here. So the sitemap purpose is uploading only for 500 URLs. If you go with the more than 500 URLs, they will the premium or developer generating for automatical code. The developer generating for automatical code. But if you are updating for the sitemap, this use only for static website. Maximum 500 websites. If you have more than 500 websites, they are using by automatical code generation. They developed by the developers. Now here code will be downloaded here. My download file. See here 4 files. Sitemap.xml, HTML, URL list.txt, raw.xml. See, this is all will be called URLs. In my website, how many URLs are there? Everything they recognize by the sitemap. Suppose if any URL is not required, just here simply just copy this complete one. If it is not exist, what is that? Index.html. Remove this one. If not need, you can remove this one also. Now save. Why? Because season.com and season.index.html both are same. So which is required, which is not required, you can remove also. Is it clear? Now after that, second one is called sitemap.html. See here HTML they give along with the link and description. Along with the link and description. See this here, profile, title, title, title. Each and every link they are showing for title and description both. Is it clear? This is a sitemap.html. Now URL is nothing but is the now website. How many URLs are they intimating here? Suppose it's not required, you can remove also. Here you can save. Last one, raw.xml. Here each and every link they're showing for title and description. See this is a website. Is a title and description. See this. Everything one by one they're showing here. See here profile, services, facility, gallery, contact. See here index.html. Once again repeat. If you're not required, just select this one item to. Is it clear? Without required one, we can delete also. Now, this is called I'm downloading for XML sitemap. Just same. Go to the cPanel, open the particular website, upload. Here, upload one by one file. Upload by one file. Select file here. Go to download. Here, first raw.xml. This page is already exists. They say for replace. I'm S. Now here, just sitemap.html is already exist. The same for replace. Now sitemap.xml. Now last one, URL list.txt. Is it clear? This is 4 files will be updated. Is it clear? Now in my website is updating for XML sitemap. How to check? Simply after .com, just enter for // sitemap.xml. This is checking for your sitemap. See here. Now, if you check for sitemap is ROR. Is it clear? This is called ROR.xml. Yes or no? Just suppose you're checking for URL list.txt. Is it clear? This is a checking for XML sitemap. So this is called activate your XML sitemap. So in a previous, in the discussion of fourseasonsim.com, they want to say one alt attribute missing for empty or missing. Empty or missing. What is the image name? Images 5.jpg. Simple that. Just code, open your particular website. Here, this is a code. Just open for the index.html. Index.html or index page will be called home file. So what is the image name? 5.jpg. See this. Here already is image name. These are all attribute. I'm already writing here, but they're saying for error. Maybe it is not updated. We check for another image. Only for one image is there, but they say for error. If check which image is showing for error here. Why? Because they're showing for correct, but they're showing for one alt attribute are empty or missing. This is one. Now simple logic, we search for alt tag. Check this one, alt tag code. So if you're writing code is anything wrong, just check it out here. So this is code. After image, you're writing for code here. So after image, you're writing for code along with the double quotes. Check this one. Suppose anything mistake, then check it here and give space here. Writing for simple logic. See this is complete code. Image will be double quotes. Alt will be also double quotes. Image is also double quote, but here the complete code is a double quote. Image src. Here image src. Ascends image 5.apg. Now save. Now, just the code will be updating with the few hours time will be taken. Is it clear? This is called you're changing for alt tag. Every image after you're putting for alt tag. This is a syntax. What the? This is a syntax. This is image name. This is a alt name. Please write down the syntax. GIF, JPG, PNG, any images will be same. We can give the name, image specific name. They will show into the Google search engine. Where it is? Google search engine. Simple logic here. What is typing for? Alt tag. What is query here? Alt tag. Now I'm clicking for images. See this. It's showing for related images. Yes or no? This will mention by the name of alt tag. Is it clear? Please write down the code. Website indexing is very important based on these concepts. So this is called activation of your alt attribute. Activation of Google Webmaster. Activation of Google Webmaster. Here URL dot, what is the URL will be called? google.com/webmasters. Click for sign in here. So this is a website on the webmaster. Here just I'll copy the URL fourseasonsin.com. Just go to the add property, copy this URL, click for add. Okay. In our blogger, we go into the alternate method, click for HTML tag. But in a website, simple recommended method, here one HTML code is there. See this. This is a HTML verification file. Just click the now our application will be download. What is the code will be called? 419 4D 1841.html. Last one will be 1841.html. Now click for download. The file is downloaded. Yes or no? Just go to the your website, click for upload. What is the file name last? 1841. Upload this file. Uploaded. Now check it out your website. What is the file name? 1841 is uploaded. Now come to this one. Click for verification. I'm not a robot. After click is verified, click for verify. This code implemented by the each and every pages. See is internal error, server error. This is called server error, not for our task. Just here, refresh. So they will showing for server error. Just clear. Find out nothing but is the internet issue. The same for internet issue. Now click for continue. This is called activation on your Google Webmaster. Suppose if you using particular code for your page for each and every pages. If you download one HTML tag, the code implement for the each and every pages is must and should important. The URL will be, the tag will mention for each and every pages. How many pages we are using in our website? Each and every page will be using for our webmaster. Is it clear? This is called activation on your webmaster tool. After activation, the webmaster we activate for the sitemap. What is called sitemap? Simple logic. Sitemap activation is called just after opening your website, click for sitemap activation webmaster. After opening your webmaster, the option call is crawl. The option call is crawl. Yeah, in a crawl, click for sitemaps. Here, add and test sitemap. Click this one. Here, check sitemap.xml. Sitemap.xml. Click for text. Now, how many pages are there? 6. Now is fine. Now, sitemap.xml. Click for submit. Before testing, after we'll click for submit here. Now it will be submit. Refresh this page. Is it clear? How many submitted here? 6. Is it clear? This is called submit your XML sitemap. How to activate Google Analytics. How to activate Google Analytics. Now the URL call google.com/analytics. Google.com/analytics. Click for sign in. The option call is analytics. The option call is analytics. Here, copy the website URL. Go to the analytics option. Click for admin. Click for admin. Here, admin. Here, the option call is account. In account, click for create an account. Before clicking create a new account, check for the website is already existing or not. No, the website is not there. Now click for create a new account. Here, give me the account name, same website name. Website name and give the URL. Remove the HTTP hyphen double quote. Now here, this is called swimming pool, beauty and fitness. Yes or no? Swimming pool is coming from beauty and fitness. Here, time zone will be called India. This is IST. Terms and conditions is everything is enabled. Google product and services, benchmarking, technical support, account specialist. Click for get tracking ID. Very important news. This tracking ID implement to the each and every page. The tracking implement to the each and every page. Indian tracking code is mandatory. Now click I accept. Now this code is generated here. Copy this code. Okay. Here go to the C panel. Now you open for the index.html. Here already one code is there. Copy this code also. Now save change. But the code is implemented by the each and every page. The code implemented by the each and every page is mandatory. The code implementation is the mandatory. See this. Why? Because they're generating the each and every page reports. The code is not exist for each and every page. They will be called the give not give the particular page report. How many members visit the particular page? They can't give the particular report. So the code will be placed on for each and every page is must and should important. How many pages are there in your website? Each and every page we implement to the this code is very important. Now is implementing. Now if you check this code, simple this. How to check this code after implement this code into your pages? What is the code will? 106862583. Now just go to the your website. Control U, Control F. Is implementing. Now click the services page. Control U, Control F. Implementing. Check the contact. Control U. Contact? No. There is no implementing. Yes or no? This is called implement them. Copy here. What is this? Contact.html. Now implemented. Is it clear? This is called implement for the Google Analytics. This is about your Google Analytics activation on your website. If you dynamic or static, implement this code by the each and every page. If not implement this code, they not give the particular page visitor report.